All right, guys. Truth or dare? Oh wait, truth or dare? And I'm gonna pick who does the truth or dare. Boy Bug. Me? Yeah, you. Truth or dare? True. All right. Is it true that you have ate another bug? Oh, why would I do that? Okay, my turn. Monkey. Yeah? Yeah. Boy Bug, it's not your turn. Truth or dare? Dare. I dare you to bonk yourself in the head so hard. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, that hurt, but fine. I had to do it or else I'd get a punishment. Alright, Boy Bug, you're gonna have another truth or dare. I'm gonna go with dare this time, not dare. I dare you to fly like a helicopter. Oh, and also fall at the speed of light. What? Okay. Yeah. Ow. Fluffy. Truth or dare? I'm gonna go with dare. Good, because I dare you to ask for a Big Mac in Taco Bell. Okay.
Welcome. What can I get you?
Yeah, can I get a Big Mac? I said I want a Big Mac.
No. Now get lost.
Fine. He said no.
Well, isn't that what you kind of expected?
Hey, Dad.
Yes.
Truth or dare?
I'm going to go for dare.
I dare you to let me sit on your back for the rest of the video.
Okay.
Good. Whee!
Alright, Cheeky. Truth or dare?
By the way, this video doesn't end until everyone gets a truth or dare, so yeah. I'm going to go with dare.
Man, everyone's doing dare. Anyway, I dare you to say that you pooped your pants in front of McDonald's.
Really? What's with the fast food dares anyway?
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you?
Hey, I pooped my pants. Ha 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 ha! Get out of here, you stupid idiot! By the way, don't say stupid or idiot. Very bad words. Okay, bye. Yeah! Well, that guy was rude. Wait, isn't it Eunie's turn? She can't just do a truth or dare to herself. It's okay. I want this video to end, so truth or dare to myself. I'm gonna go with dare. I dare you to end this video. Okay, I'm gonna end it right now.